This is it. Gonna be one of the new builds for the channel. Got the 86 Hardbody. It's gonna be a drift truck slash work truck, everything. It's a 86 Nissan Hardbody. Check it out. Like him. But I don't really care about that. Probably just put something on there. Check it out, not too bad. Windows cracked, I'll get that fixed pretty soon here. Just gonna clean it up. Came with the system and everything. Let me show you guys the system it has. Check it out. 2 6x9s, a base tube down there, and what is that, like a 10-inch Rockford Fosgate. Hardbody gang. Alright guys, so warming up the truck real quick. Getting it ready. Gonna go take a little quick sport around the block.
Frank block.
Around Frank block. Hopefully we don't get carjacked.
Frank block to our fucking gang. You ain't really our fucking gang. Hurry up, fam. Come and shop. I got a big